Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain the Capital One Quicksilver student card. This card is designed specifically for college students looking to earn rewards and establish a positive credit history. We'll cover its key features, including its cashback program and how it can benefit you. Understanding these details will help you decide if this card aligns with your financial goals and spending habits. Let's dive into how you can earn rewards with this card. You'll receive an unlimited 1.5% cash back on every purchase every day. Plus, for those travel plans, you can earn an impressive 5% cash back on hotels, vacation rentals, and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. As a welcome offer, new cardholders can also earn a $50 cash bonus after spending just $100. Now for the exciting part, applying your voucher. When you're ready to make a purchase online, simply select PayPal as your payment method at checkout. If your purchase qualifies, the available voucher should appear as an option. Make sure to select it and confirm that the discount is clearly reflected in your total before you complete your transaction. It's a quick and easy step. So, is the Capital One Quicksilver student card the right fit for you? It's an excellent choice for students who want straightforward cashback rewards and a clear path to building credit. With no annual fee and no foreign transaction fees, it offers great value. Evaluate your spending and financial objectives to see if this card aligns with your needs for a rewarding and responsible credit journey.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.